and shit, I'm saying. Yeah. Might do a video for y'all with some E80, you know what I'm saying? The E85 tune. But now I need to get a Diablo tune, bro. I need a tune up in general. I need to cut off. I need some fucking headers, bro. I need some long tube headers. These short shit fucks are dog shit. Like it's like it gave me power, but it's not what I want, and it's not as loud. It's not loud like I want. This shit just sound like I got a fucking cat delete with fucking straight pipe. Like it's not like a throaty, like, you know what I'm saying. Y'all know what I'm going for. I'm trying to be obnoxious as hell. Like I don't give a fuck. Like what the fuck. I want y'all to hit me from a block away. When I start this bitch, I want you to be terrified. That's that type of shit I want. And it's foggy as fuck. Turn that shit up. That shit did not help. Oh yeah, it did. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, that shit definitely did help. I wish I could play music for y'all, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro, we'll be booming in this bitch. Like, oh my god. And I was gonna say something, but YouTube would definitely ban this channel if I do that. I was gonna say we can, you know what I'm saying, get the sound. I know what that is. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. But yeah, man, this is just a little POV video for y'all. Nothing too deep. I'm gonna cut up a traffic though, cause need that content. So let's get started. Let's get started in the rain too. One hand too. Don't get over, bitch. Fuck is talking about, nigga. See how that nigga didn't want no smoke, and then this fat ass minivan will get over. It's okay. I need that lane, man, nigga. We gone. Cutting up for y'all. Not even trying either. This shit just too easy. One hand. 12 behind me. I don't give no fuck. I'm still going. Until you turn on your lights, you is not touching me. Simple. Niggas puss. Look at this little dumbass right there. Not touching me. Speed limit 60. I'm going 85. He know better. He not turning on them fucking lights. He just look at his ass all the way back there. He don't give no fuck. No fuck. Fat ass truck. Yeah, we not cutting up no more. Traffic finna hit. Yeah, we is not cutting up no more. This traffic is definitely finna hit. Yeah. And I'm definitely getting the fuck over. Alright, bro. See, it's that shit everywhere, you know. Just don't let me get the fuck over, you fat fuck. I should have took that shit and made you mad, ugly motherfucker. What is wrong with you? I hate motherfuckers that can't fucking drive. Shit pisses me off. And then this fat ass truck got behind me. Yes, sir, 12 is not getting to me. Dumbass nigga. Not getting this plate. Lame man nigga. Alright, it's hard as hell now. I'm gonna turn that shit down. Yeah, bro. But bro, I promise y'all, bro, if I was able to play music for y'all niggas, bro, I'm telling you, these subs are how y'all motherfuckers like, damn, this bitch shaking. I was finna get over, but that shit way worse. I might as well stay on the side anyways. I'm finna get off. Can't let y'all see looking ass. I'm playing. I don't give no fuck. I'll shoot y'all niggas. Y'all was pussy. I'm playing. Man, this fat ass truck cutting up. Stop it, nigga. You gonna crash that motherfucker. Look at his ass. He going crazy. It'll be funny as fuck if this truck in front of me just brake check, bro ass. Hey, I just peeped. For all the YouTubers, like, when I eventually become famous, I'm gonna make another video just like this. And I wanna see their reaction. Like, if you really think about it, like, we sitting here recording with, like, nobody around. So technically we low-key talking to ourselves. Like, we low-key dumb as hell. We low-key a bot. But I mean, we not really talking to ourselves because we technically is talking to like our subscribers and like, you know what I'm saying? But like in the moment, like if somebody was in my passenger seat right now, I feel like they'll be like, bro, like, is you good, bro? Like, you having a whole conversation to this fucking phone. But like, yeah, it's I don't know. I feel like when I blow up, I'm gonna ask other YouTubers, like, do they be feeling the same way about like POV videos and shit like that? All Alright, you're in my fucking way. Going too slow. Yes, sir. Burn gas, burn gas. We love to see it. Why is my signal still on? Fucking dumbass. Damn, I'm tall as fuck. Y'all cannot see the steering wheel. So y'all be alright. Y'all as long as y'all can see me, you know what I'm saying, cut through this motherfucking traffic like it ain't shit. Like it ain't shit. Like it ain't shit. Like it ain't shit. Damn. I could really be a rapper too, YouTuber and rapper, to be honest. Like, you know what I'm saying? I got all things, you know what I'm saying? Anything you want on this channel will definitely come true. You want booty? Got you. Want dudes? Got you. You know what I'm saying? I got homies that are, you know what I'm saying, they do things of that nature. Alright, get the fuck over, nigga. You know better. And I'm on your bumper. Bum ass nigga. Fuck out my way. Here we go. Police officer behind me. Fucking weirdo. Like, still ass nigga still behind me. Bro, why? Like, this is the shit I hate. Like, if you're in a fat ass van, nigga, get over it, bro. Like, what the fuck? Hey, bro, what do you call that? Like, this, like, what do you call that shit? Like, that's not a tent, right? Like, ain't that just like what is that? Like, when vans be having that shit, cause that's a family fucking sedan, nigga. It's just like they made it into a white van because they broke as fuck, so they can't afford one, for real, for real. Why is everybody breaking? What the fuck is happening? Y'all niggas be NPCs. Like, that shit makes no sense. Like, I've never seen, like, that shit is off GTA. I've never seen a truck like that in my life. I've seen these motherfuckers, though. You see these everywhere. The fact that a truck is going faster than you is despicable. Yeah, get the fuck out my way. I like how everybody know to get the fuck up. Never mind. It's because this slow ass bitch. Damn, a leaf just smacked the shit. Hey, if y'all seen that shit, I know somebody seen that shit. That leaf just smacked the shit out the windshield. That shit was loud as hell. Time to cut up. Cause you damn, bro, why everything keeps smacking hard as fuck on my windshield? I'm finna go to the expressway. This shit not it. Yeah, this shit not it. This bitch just tried to brake check me. I should drag your dumb ass. Should drag your dumb ass. Bye, y'all. I'm close to the crib now, so I'm gonna end this little video for y'all. But this is just me cutting up in traffic in the rain, you know. Hey, it was a loose tire back there. But yeah, this was just me cutting up in traffic for y'all in the rain and shit. Hey, that motherfucker quick as hell. But I'm gonna end this shit for y'all, man. I cannot do that Yeet intro no more, bro. He copyrighted my shit. He said, "Fuck you, nigga. Fuck your channel, nigga." We ending that shit copyright. So I can't do that intro no more. Y'all, give me another. I got a song. I'm gonna put a new intro in this one and tell me if y'all like it. I got y'all, bro. I got y'all. I'm gonna put a new intro in this video. I got y'all, bro. I got y'all. But I'm finna end it because traffic is just piling up and I'm not moving. I'm literally going 0 miles per hour on a fucking expressway. So, plus I gotta get gas. So, peace out, y'all. Lame man, nigga. Lame man, nigga.